Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Webull to Webull Pay. Let's begin. If you go to the Webull website and then go under the heading where it says Webull Pay Transition, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and you're going to see a section here where it says, can I transfer funds from my Webull account to my Webull Pay account? Currently, direct transfers between your Webull brokerage account and Webull Pay account are not available. However, you can withdraw the funds from your Webull brokerage account to your linked bank account. Once the funds are in your bank account, you can deposit them into your Webull Pay account. So because you cannot directly send money from your Webull brokerage account to your Webull Pay account, you're going to need a medium in between these two, so which is your bank account. So first, you're going to get the Webull brokerage account and you're going to transfer the money to your bank account. Once you're done, you will transfer that money from your bank account to your Webull Pay account. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.